So this is my friend Trey. Trey is going to be installing this mirror for me by Artika. He's got his tools and everything all set up. He has marked on the wall here where the junction box is going to go. And then at the top here, this is where the mirror is going to kind of be placed. And then this is where the hangers are going to go for the mirror. So Trey took out his tool. I have no idea what this tool is. And just kind of went through the drywall. What he's doing is he's accessing the yellow wire that is a part of the outlet that you see down below there, and then here he's going to go ahead and just start to kind of access where that yellow wire is and then connect everything. This is the Artika mirror, and as you can see, it is working. So let's hang it on the wall. I love this mirror so much. It does a lot of really cool features. Let me show you some of them. Like right now it's pretty bright, but if I take this and I hold this, you can see it's starting to dim. And then if you keep holding it, it will go back to being bright. So, super cute. I really like it. And then you just push it off.